Tyler Mintes. So ito umakakita po intention ng ating ballgame. Junmar Fajardo will finish that one with a big slam.
Good recovery right there by Junmar Fajardo. He's a very good trailer, getting out that loose ball and stuffing it inside.
Ito muna, dito nagsimula yung komunikasyon na mukhang pasa pero pumasok. Pero ito yung malaking pagkakatapos. Nawala na yung bola. Nandun pa si Junmar sa lampak. Pasok ang 2-13 na lang ang kanilang hinahabol dito.
Chan, having one of his better games. Millsap, iiwan kay Kraken! And Junmar brings the pain. Tutungo pa sa free throw line.
Junmar Fajardo coming into the semis actually looked very different, you know, physically. But here today,
Game number 2 of a race to 3. Lamang po sa serye ang Petron 1-0. Look at Tubig go. Oh, the Kraken throws it down to clean it up. He's got 10 points.
Time from the field this afternoon. Up to the early evening. Lutz finding Fajardo for the jam.
si James Yap, but unable to take full advantage of it is the rest of his teammates.
We take a look at Junmar Fajardo. Siya po ang ating Sistema Tooth and Gum Care Rookie of the Game. Ready for the big league with Sistema Tooth.
Ayaw talaga pumasok para sa Rain or Shine.
All tournament long, Rain or Shine has struggled from distance. One more time para kay Junmar Fajardo.
Lamang ang Petron 46-36.
Oh, good anticipation by Junmar Fajardo.
And he smiles. He was laughing. Goes all the way down. Brings it in for the jam. Kanina ginawa ni Lohorn sa kanya. And he returned the favor. 30-second timeout. Tinawag ni Coach Ato Agustin dahil 12 na ang lamang nitong Petron Blaze 48-36. And on that steal, look at that. He's smiling as he's dribbling. He sees walang kalaban. That's a Kawasaki rousing fast break brought to us by Rouser 135 by Kawasaki. Rouse the rider in you and
Them to within 6. 3 minuto na lumilipas.
Deep shot. Junmar Fajardo bringing the pain, but he crashes down. Oh! Ibang klaseng dakdak ang pinakita sa atin doon ni Junmar. He really got up there. Hindi lang yung height ginamit niya, Jason. Yung lundag niya, kanyang pinakita.
Look at this, Junmar Fajardo way above. You know, very upset is the Petron bench because they felt he got hit right in the face but brought the pain to the ring.
At baha dito sa buong Kalakhang, Maynila.